How to use ChatGPT for productivity. ChatGPT is not just an AI assistant, it can be used to increase your productivity if you want it to be. Because using ChatGPT, you need to learn how to give proper prompts to ChatGPT, and once you learn all that, it can be used to boost your productivity from 0 to 100. You just need to learn how to use it properly. You can start with asking ChatGPT to make a schedule for your task, and here's a simple example demonstration how ChatGPT can be used for your personal task. It can be used to learn almost anything. For example, you can start with your daily planning and you can go and create your weekly schedule. You can give these prompts to ChatGPT and it will do it in an instant. Similarly, you can manage your time for your task using ChatGPT, and you can also automate your tasks. For example, let's say we want to write an email. ChatGPT can do it for us, and we just need to put in the right requirements in our prompt about that email. Similarly, you can go and you can automate a lot of your tasks just by giving the right prompt to ChatGPT, and it will increase your productivity. It will save you a lot of time, because time is the actual money that we have in 2025. And just like that, you can also build skills using ChatGPT. It can teach you a lot of things that you want to learn. Similarly, there's tons of things that you can go and start learning with ChatGPT, and surely it will increase your productivity, saves you time, and you just need to learn how to give proper prompts. And you can learn giving proper prompts by just using ChatGPT again and again, and you will get it. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.